Hurricane Melissa has been named Jamaica's storm of the century and Cuba's dire warning. Across the Caribbean, people are facing a storm unlike any in living memory. Hurricane Melissa made landfall in Jamaica on the 28th of October 2025, with winds reaching a staggering 185 miles per hour or 295 kilometers per hour, placing it among the strongest Atlantic hurricanes ever. Now, on October 29, the storm is battering eastern Cuba, already forcing hundreds of thousands to evacuate and raising fears of a second wave of devastation. Jamaica's government has declared the country a disaster area, saying Melissa may be the worst storm ever to hit the island. In the southwestern parish of St. Elizabeth, entire communities are underwater. Over 500,000 people are without power. Hospitals are damaged. 4 hospitals reported major damage, and 1 lost power, forcing evacuation of at least 75 patients. Amid the wreckage, Jamaican officials say they are expecting loss of life, though they have not yet confirmed the exact numbers. While Jamaica reels from the landfall, Cuba is bracing its turn. On October 29, Cuban authorities evacuated around 735,000 people ahead of Melissa's arrival. The storm is now weakening slightly, downgraded to Category 2 as it moves across Cuba, but remains life-threatening. Warning officials have issued: expect storm surges, flash flooding, and landslides in mountainous or coastal regions. What's making Hurricane Melissa uniquely dangerous, as experts have pointed out, is the fact that there is rapid intensification. It jumped from moderate storm to 185 miles per hour winds in record time. There's huge rainfall and flooding risk. Parts of Jamaica could see up to 30 to 40 inches of rain. And there's a historic timing and vulnerability. After Cuba, Hurricane Melissa is forecast to move towards the Bahamas and possibly Bermuda, and even parts of the USA. For Jamaica and Cuba, the challenge is recovery, clearing debris, restoring power, and helping the many displaced. In Jamaica alone, an estimated 50,000 people may be displaced.